So after my swim at the reef, coming all the way back swimming, I wanted to get some fish.
Yeah, so that you brought some back from the reef.
I wish it was mine. But so we're in Tahiti at the Sofitel. I don't think I need to describe that the lagoon that's behind is it is the best one on the island. So we're lucky to be doing Tahitian. We're gonna do Tahitian. Well, in Tahiti, do Tahitian way. So we're gonna do Tahitian
Raw fish,
right on the beach, right there by the ocean. So let's start.
So the Tahitian raw fish is probably the most iconic and well-known recipe. Here, that's something that we find in every restaurant, and that's something that we prepare in every house in French Polynesia.
Is that something people eat every day, or
pretty much?
Pretty much.
That's very common that you can eat every day, and you find it in every house on the island. The first thing that I want to show you, and that's crucial for this recipe, it's the coconut milk. I know that we have tendency to find this coconut milk in a can, but I'm going to show you right now how to make fresh coconut.
So you
shredded.
Shredded.
Yes. So just this kind of coconut.
From the dry one, not the non-ripe one,
the green one with the water, the dry one.
The trick is to break those. I've tried to break those sometimes. It's not that easy, so be careful when you do it.
And you grate the flesh, the white flesh in it, and you get this little shred coconut, which
it looks very dry from here, right? And let's see
but it is not. You're going to see the quantity of milk that you're going to get out of this little quantity. Yeah, so you put it in a nice cloth, and we're going to just squeeze it.
It's not a very thin cloth, actually. There's so much milk that it just goes through, right?
Alright, so we made some. You see already just out of this little quantity, you get easily 4 tablespoons. Okay, and that's not even half of a coconut. Let's see if we can get a little more.
And it's fresh. Yeah.
Yes,
so.
but that's fresh, and the taste is completely different.
So I can see you have white fish in here.
Yes, white tuna.
White tuna. You don't.
You can do it. You can do it with any fish you want, but white tuna will be the best kind for the recipe. The flesh is tender but firm, so you get something that is really really good after all. But you can do it with any.
And then what do you do with that after you're done?
No, don't trash it. You can do dessert with it. You can do macaroon. You can do cookies and coconut tart. So you can use absolutely everything.
So is that the next recipe we're doing, the coconut
exactly,
tart?
with the coconut tart with vanilla ice cream.
Vanilla from here.
Vanilla, yes.
Don't tempt me. This is getting better every
So we have our raw coconut milk here. So we're gonna start just with some of the vegetables. Here we have some diced tomato. So the quantity of vegetables that you put in the preparation is really up to you, depending on what you like most. Some cucumber.
So I don't see any spices or.
We don't use much.
Or hot peppers. Just
vegetable. We use a lot of vegetable, a lot of herbs, fresh herbs. Mm-hmm. Not so much dry, spicy, hot.
So at the end, it's not a hot.
No. It's very.
Dish. Yeah.
It's kind of with the coconut milk. It's actually kind of sweet. Here some shredded carrots.
And how much local vegetable are you able to get?
All of those so far are local, produced on the island. Even if the quantity are small, you're able to get some. But the production is very small.
It's actually a not very long dish to make, right?
Oh no, that's something you make. The best is to make it a little in advance, but that's very quick. Once you have your, it takes a little time if you have to slice your vegetable and to prepare your vegetable. Yeah. But that's pretty much it. Alright, so we have our vegetable and our coconut milk. I'm gonna dice. Let's just put some gloves quickly.
And then so that dish is it a main course or it's an appetizer? Or
it's both.
It could be both.
You can have it as an appetizer on a smaller quantity. And if you want to make it a dish, people here they will take it on a larger portion, and you take some jasmine steamed rice on the side, and you make a perfect meal.
And then you serve the rice warm, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Alright, so here we have our white tuna. So we're gonna cut it about a 3/4 of an inch thick.
Ooh, that's nice.
Oh, it's beautiful fish. He came right this morning.
And of course the flowers are all from the yard of the hotel. You have flowers everywhere, and then
Oh, but the flowers, Tahiti is all about the flowers. They grow everywhere, and the most exotic kind. Hibiscus, they come in every color possible and imaginable.
keep that one for my tasting.
Alright,
So-
finishing to dice. So you see, not too small, huh?
So you get the fish every day, so
Yes.
you have fresh fish every day.
Yes.
You're not too small, right? Yeah.
Not too small. It's not a tartar. It's not a tartar, so it has to be little chunky. I'm gonna add this beautiful fish here.
Then do I get to try it when you're done?
So nice.
Oh, okay. What can I do for you? Can I do the dishes?
Just gonna.
And then so now it's in there.
Yes, we're gonna
What's
add-
the next step? You put it in the fridge. How long should it stay? Oh, we're not done, right? You still have
No,
lemon.
we're gonna do the seasoning,
Okay.
lemon and lime juice. So same thing, it depends on the taste of everyone. You can have little or a lot of lemon. Personally, I like it with enough lemon in it.
So I give the little kick on the. Yeah.
Now we have two nice, and some seasoning, salt and pepper to the taste. Here we are.
So once it's seasoned,
Season.
fridge, no fridge, how long?
Fridge. It's better to prepare it about 30-40 minutes before to serve it.
So it's not like 2 hours of cooking in
No,
the
no,
meal,
no.
just like it's enough.
And you keep it in here because it's better. It has to be served like really cold, really chill. And it needs to marinate about 30 minutes in the fridge to have all those ingredients, the fish, the lemon juice to work together so all the flavor can combine. But same thing, you don't want to wait too long because after your vegetables are gonna start to get soggy. And you will lose the crunchy. You will lose the crunchy from the onion and the cucumber, and you don't want that either. Okay, you want to keep the crunchy of the vegetable. So here,
So was I nice or no?
excuse me.
Was I nice? Can I try?
Yes,
Good.
because it's you.
Good.
I will try directly.
It's gonna be my lunch, dinner, breakfast. Oh,
Yes.
yeah. Even though it's not being chilled, it is.
Something else that you can do is something when you do some little cocktail or reception. You can serve it in small dishes, in small glasses. It's perfect for cocktail.
Yeah.
Perfect for nice cocktails.
Yeah.
And you be very close. For those crawfish, you can do a
You
recipe.
know, next time I have this, wherever it is.
This is good.
Yeah, look at that. Thank you, chef. Great job. So you learned that while since you've been here, right?
Yes.
Yep.
It's one of the recipes that I learned here, and that's delicious.
It is delicious. You're right. Thank you very much.